How do planes take off? Why ice float on water? Where do penguins live?
It's sharpen the brain, increase the wisdom.
Hello friends, welcome to Brain Tonic. Now the today's topic is what happens to the wax of the burning candle. Most people think that when fuels like wood, coal or some oils burn, they disappear during the process. The same is thought about the burning candle. The truth is that these substances do not disappear, they just change their form. Combustion or burning is a chemical reaction that gives off light and heat and takes place in the presence of oxygen. During this process, the matter is neither created nor destroyed but simply changes its form. This is known as the law of indestructibility of matter. When a candle burns, the wax simply turns into other substances. The moment we light the wick, the wax started melting because of heat. The molten wax rises to the wick on account of the phenomenon called surface tension. To this property, blotting paper soaks up the ink. The liquid wax then changes into gas. This gas undergoes combustion, in which heat and light are produced. Wax is a complex hydrocarbon that contains hydrogen and carbon. During the burning process, carbon combines with oxygen in the air and forms carbon dioxide gas. Hydrogen of the wax combines with oxygen of the air and forms water vapor. In these two reactions, wax is consumed and as a result the size of the candle goes on decreasing. If we collect and weight the water vapor and carbon dioxide formed during this process, their weight would be more than that of the original candle. The increase in weight is due to the combination of oxygen with carbon and hydrogen. Thus, we see that wax is not destroyed when the candle burns, it only changes into carbon dioxide and water vapor.